Hi guys, Zach with Proline Rangehoods here today, and we're unboxing another rangehood, this time our PLJW 10954 T2. We're going to take everything out of the box, prepare it for installation, and show you guys what you need to do. Now we've gone ahead and taken everything out of the box, so obviously we have our rangehood here, and again today we're looking at our 54-inch model, so pretty large. Make sure to get someone for some help if you guys need it. And then we also have inside the box our power cables, transition unit, manual, and hardware, any of the pieces needed for installing the rangehood. We're going to receive 2 boxes for those because inside of this rangehood, because it's a T2 model, it's going to come with 2 different blowers. So look out for 2 of those boxes. We also have a separate box for our stainless steel baffle filters as well as the grease tray. So we'll go ahead and get these installed and take off this covering and go to our next step. We've gone ahead and set everything else aside for now, so now we can take our first look at the rangehood, and inside we can see our 2 massive 1000 CFM blowers. So again, this is a 54-inch model. We go all the way up to 60 inches. On our smaller sizes at 30 and 36 inches, you won't have the option to have 2 different blowers. But because this is one of our bigger models, we can have 2 1000 CFM blowers inside. And they're going to be great and more than powerful for any cooking environment that you'll need, that you can use also outdoors or indoors. It'd be great for barbecue or any, high stress environment. Now, if we look a little bit lower, we can see we have space for 2 different heating lamps. So we don't provide those, but if you guys want to go ahead and get your own, we want to give you the option to have those inside the rangehood. We also have above the blowers 4 different LED lights. Now, these are great. They last a lifetime. They're great for any low light cooking environment if you're cooking in a dark space. We also have this rangehood in our T2 series in the 430 stainless steel, but we also offer it in a premium 304 stainless steel, and it's completely up to you guys which ones you want to select. So check out our website at ProlineRangehoods.com for more information on that. So now we've gone ahead and taken out our stainless steel baffle filters from their separate packaging, and inside that box is also going to be our grease tray. Now, to install the baffle filters, we're going to need to put in our grease tray first. So it's very easy. It has a slot that's designed just to make it nice and tight. If you guys want to slide it in here just at the bottom of your rangehood, you can put it into place. And then we'll go ahead and install the stainless steel baffle filters. So kind of the same process. We'll drop it down here in the bottom. You guys can look up for the notch that it's made for, pull it back into place, and it will sit nice and easy. We'll install all 4 of these, but our stainless steel baffle filters are great because they're dishwasher safe, they're very durable, they're gonna last forever, so you guys are gonna love them. Now, if we look up from our LED lights, we can take a look at our stainless steel button control panel. We're also going to have a couple switches here on each side of the rangehood. Now, the on and off is for each of the blowers located on each side of the rangehood. So we have both of those turned on. This black switch here is for your heat lamps. If you guys have those installed, it's also an on and off switch. But for the control panel itself, we can turn it on and off with our buttons here, as well as our lights. And then we can control the 4 speeds of the blowers, all the way from their lowest and most quiet setting up to their highest and most powerful. So there you guys have it. That's going to be our PLJW 10954 T2 rangehood. So don't forget, we do have a lot of sizes on this one, from 30 inches all the way up to our bigger 60-inch models. And on those larger models, you guys do have the option to get 2 different blowers inside of the rangehood. So 1000 CFM on one side, another 1000 CFM on the other. And we also have 2 different stainless steel options, our 430 stainless steel or that 304 premium stainless steel. If you guys want to check out this model, or you're still shopping around, check out our full catalog at ProlineRangehoods.com. And if you have any other questions about your home and your needs, don't hesitate to contact our customer support team. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you've made it this far, subscribe for more content like this, and thank you for shopping with Proline.